Hey, this is Tim. They will be installing a radio, a Sony WX920BT in a 2006 Chevrolet Colorado. So, first thing you need to do is take this trim off right here. So we'll do that. Just pop your trim off all around in here. It just pops off. Okay. After you pop off your top here, just unplug what you have to right here. I think you got a hazard lights on the top here. This one's got some other aftermarket stuff on it. Hold on 1 second. Got some aftermarket stuff on here. I'm not sure what it is. Let me get this off first. Alright, that off. Then you got your hazards up here. Okay, and once you get that off, then we're gonna do this right here. These bolts are you got 3 of them on this one. Some of them I have 4. These are 7mm. Pull that out. Get the cover over here. And of course we'll unplug the antenna. And we'll unplug the back here of the radio. There we go. That's pretty much it on that one. That one comes right out. Now we'll be installing the new one. The antenna around here. I think you might have to bend this little bar. If this one sits back further, I don't know if it does or not. Let's see. I don't think it sits back any further. Now if they sit back any further, sometimes you'll have to bend this bar right here in the back down. You have to bend it back. Alright, we're gonna get the wiring out and we're gonna figure this one out. Okay, on this one's a little bit different. Yours might not be like this. Of course, you always put it in the existing. This came with the kit to go the existing wiring harness that's in your vehicle. And everything should just plug and play. Of course, your antenna, make sure you put your mic in the back where it says mic. In the remote where it says remote. Don't get them switched up. It'll do all kinds of crazy stuff. So don't do that. But this one, they got the power hooked straight to the accessory. So I got to cut the power wire here and do a connector. But if yours isn't like that, don't worry about it. The power will just be straight in here like it was originally. And then push everything kind of back, which I'll show you in a minute. Make sure you put your chime in here. Your chime hooked to one of your wiring harnesses, see, because all your chiming will be going through the radio now, see. So make sure you hook that up. You won't have your, you won't have your chime, so it can annoy you when you have your keys left in here, the lights on and stuff. But I just wanted to show real quick that I have to hook my power straight up right here because whoever did the radio before hooked it up like that, so it's with the accessory. And like I said, do not get your mic and your remote mixed up. And of course, hook your antenna up right here. And this is for cameras and all, and GPS display, all that other stuff. This one doesn't have that, so I'm not worried about all that for this connector here. This one didn't come with it, so, but some of them do. You hook them right there for an additional unit. I have the GPS navigation and all that stuff. Anyway, I'm going to push all this in here, and then I'm going to route, I think I'm going to route the Bluetooth microphone through the top vent and set it up here. You want it either on your mirror or a visor, kind of in the middle. You don't want it near your window, because if you're going down the road and the window's down, nobody can hear you talking. But I'll show you all that in a little bit. Not too bad. Got a remote with it. And a Bluetooth hooked up. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. Another one down at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.